When I'm saying in the title what a 10K day actually looks like, or I guess 9K day in this case, what I mean by that is
she likes it a lot. She likes the way that I bop with a stagger. And bitch, I ain't acting. This ain't for fashion. Move from me, I got the fuck.
it is currently 6 a.m. and we are at 2K. If this ends up becoming a 10K day, you guys will see exactly what that actually looks like. But for now, I'm gonna take my ass to bed and I'll catch y'all when I wake up. It is 2:30 p.m. We had woken up about like an hour ago. I messaged my friend about his ecom store. He needed to talk to someone about that. And I messaged someone to kind of redesign my website because that's the next level I want to get to now. But after that, I just got up, prayed, and now we're on my computer. I'm about to check out the ads manager and the Shopify dashboard. So we'll see how that's looking. I'll be right back. We are at a solid 5.4K day, ladies and gentlemen. And the ads manager, we spent 2,800 Canadian, which is roughly 2,100 USD. How's it going, everybody? So we were able to hit $9,000 by the end of the day. We spent maybe around $2,000 in ad spend. But yeah, so now the main goal is to be consistent. That means more ads, better ads, making sure my team is following up with me and that there's nothing kind of bottlenecking the business. But yeah, when I'm saying in the title what a 10K day actually looks like, or I guess 9K day in this case, what I mean by that is it's not always business, grind, and all of that, make sure you're living your life, make sure you're watching TV, hanging with family, doing life things, at the same time. We can't just be chasing money like we're on a treadmill, go to the gym, do things you want to do. That's really how it is. Even at this level, maybe your first sale, and you want to get to where I am. I want to be where other people are. And in my head, I'm thinking, oh, those people probably it's probably so stressful, they're showing that they're on jets and all this stuff, but they're probably stressing out, more money, more problems. But if you're thinking it's like that for me, maybe because you're seeing it that I'm higher than you in the business space, it's not like that. That's what I'm trying to show you, that I've been chill. Like most of my day, I probably woke up, worked for like 2 hours, and then just went right to gaming, and then watching TV and things like that. So I just want you guys to relax and think like I'm human just like you guys, and I'm doing this. You know what I mean? So if I can do it, literally anybody can. I'll make another separate video on my story some other time. But yeah, my next video is probably going to be showing you guys how to make better ads, especially the trend that's been going on lately with the whole animation style. I see there's no one on YouTube doing that. And because I promised that I'm going to be the realest dropshipper YouTuber out there, I'm going to show you guys how I do it and how it's been effective for me. But in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.